Hey y'all, it's Hunter. Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be making chicken salad. And before we get started, I really just wanted to thank Jessica and Nanny for making this video possible. Number one, thank you for Nanny for writing down this recipe for me. Even though I know you don't keep it written down because you just eyeball everything. And thank you, Jessica, for sending me the picture of the recipe. Now let's get to the list of ingredients so we can get started. For this recipe, you'll need celery, an apple, red seedless grapes, a sweet onion, chicken, pickle cubes, mayonnaise, and salt and pepper. Okay y'all, so this recipe is actually really simple, and so let me just go ahead and start. So first I'm going to add my grapes to the mixture, my apples that I've chopped up really fine. These are the only chunks you should really have in your chicken salad. I'm going to add my pickle cubes to this. My celery that I've chopped up really fine. And some of my mother candy onions. I'm going to leave them out until the end, but I'm going to add in my mayonnaise. Just use enough to your liking. Okay. I'm gonna stir this up and see if this is enough. Okay, so I finished my chicken salad. And let me just put some of this on a bun. Give it a bite. That's really good. That is amazing. It tastes just like Nanny's recipe. Be sure to follow me on all my social media. My Twitter, my Instagram, and my Snapchat is all linked down below. And please like, comment, and subscribe because that really helps me out a lot. And if you make this chicken salad, please tag me on any of my social media. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you again soon. Bye y'all.